Good evening on the eve of Independence Day. Independence Day is a day of tremendous celebrations. Today we are completing 75 years of independence from British rule. It reminds every Indian about the dawn of a new beginning, the beginning of an era of deliverance.
India is a country with people of diverse religions, geographical boundaries, cultures, languages, and etc. The true strength of India is unity in diversity. Staying united amidst all diversifications is the true strength and beauty of India.
It's time to remember our great freedom fighters, political leaders, and brave soldiers who have sacrificed their lives and are still ruling and guarding the boundaries of our country.
The fame of India is widespread today as the global leader, and wish all glories to my country, India. With all love and soul, let's celebrate the tricolor. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.